How can a castle be sustainably preserved? These past 4 years, Roman and I, as architects, have been questioning heritage preservation. We visit a lot of places, some well preserved and some others in complete decay. One day, we decided to answer this question. How can a castle be sustainably preserved? Before we left everything and jumped deep into it, Roman was working as an architect, and during this time, I went back to school to study the question and finally wrote a thesis about it. In continuation of that, we left our cocoon and jobs in Brussels to start the Château Route Project.
The idea is quite simple. Hit the French countryside road, meet successful owners, visit endangered places, analyze, and propose solutions.
To move around the country and work from everywhere, we bought and restored an old caravan. It took us 2 months of work, and now that it's finished, we are ready to get out. During the upcoming weeks, we will cover the northeast part of France and share our adventure with you. And let's start now.
Look at this place. We are in Château de Mercy, in the Grand Est region, nearby the beautiful city of Metz.
A gorgeous listed building that has been abandoned for years. Here is a good start to explain our method of analysis. Based on 10 evaluation points covering 4 main aspects of sustainability in heritage buildings: cultural, social, environmental, and economics, the method enlightened several key points which cause the decay of the castle. Among them, there are the cultural and environmental issues.
The preservation of the landscape here is a pure tragedy. A few years ago, the land was sold to build this huge hospital and a commercial area.
It's an environmental and cultural loss left forever, even if the building itself stayed here. Also, in the social and cultural aspect of our analysis, the castle, owned by the city, was left unused in the 90s, causing great disease to the structures and historical material. No visits, no studies, no preservation of it, even if it's now listed and protected, thanks to passionate people who strive to save it from demolition.
And finally, let's check the economical issues of this place. Well, now it's almost completely rotten inside, renovation costs are extremely high. The only project that takes place here is a complete transformation into fancy apartments. Under one condition: promoters have to find people who are willing to pay twice the real estate market price for it. Until then, the worksite won't begin.
It's to avoid this situation that the Château Route Project wants to study, find and show solutions for endangered castles before it becomes, like here, too late. Hope you enjoyed this first presentation, and please subscribe to this channel and follow us on Instagram to be updated with new contents and videos daily.